AI agents are about to take over every small business in America and the world, and 99% of people have no idea what's coming. While most people are still figuring out what ChatGPT actually is, there are a small group of people learning about AI agents, and they are about to start entire businesses. I'm talking about AI agents that work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, never take days off, can run an entire company, finding customers, closing deals, and running the majority of their business all while they sleep. And here's the crazy part. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to spend hours on YouTube listening to some guy talk about how to use Python or Java. What is even JavaScript? Normal people don't know what that is. You just need one tool, and it's called Twin. And in the next 15 minutes, I'm going to show you how to build real AI agents that actually work for you and can start entire businesses and run entire businesses as well. Click on the link in the description right now to try Twin completely for free and to follow along with the video as well. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed to show normal people like yourself how to profit from AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. But first, let me show you exactly what Twin is. And I know some of you might be thinking, is this just another N8N or Zapier? No. And let me show you exactly what I mean. Zapier, Make, and N8N are what we call workflow builders. You have to manually sit there and connect boxes and arrows with triggers and actions. And basically, this is a fancy way of saying you're building an AI agent to do work for you, to automate certain tasks of your business or of a content creation, for example. When normal people use programs like Zapier and N8N and Make to try and make their lives easier, a lot of times things end up breaking because it's super complicated. Twin makes it easy for normal people to use this and to build their own AI agents. It is what's called an autonomous AI agent platform. You don't build workflows, you don't connect boxes. You literally describe what you want in plain English, and Twin builds it for you automatically. It runs in the cloud, it works 24/7, and this is the part that blew my mind. It heals automatically. If something breaks on the website, if something goes wrong, the agent figures it out and fixes it instantly. This is the difference between automations and agents. Automations follow rules, and agents, they just make decisions. And that's what makes Twin genuinely different than anything else on the market. Let me get into the demo. Let me show you exactly how this works, and let's build something together. So here's the game plan. I'm going to show you two agents in the video. The first agent finds the money, and the second agent goes and gets it. Let's start with the first one. So I'm going to build what I call a pain point research agent. The idea is this. Every single successful business in the world solves a real problem that people actually have. Every business. If you can find what people are complaining about in a specific niche, you can sell them the solution. The problem is doing that research the old-fashioned way takes hours. You'd have to manually go through Reddit threads, YouTube comments, X posts, school groups, reading hundreds of messages, writing down what you find, organizing it, and just it's crazy. It's chaos. It's tedious, it's slow, and it's why most people never actually do it because people lose motivation after about an hour. Twin does it in minutes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're going to click on Try Now. So we're on Twin's homepage, and I'm literally going to type in this: scrape Reddit, X, and school groups for the top 10 problems that small business owners are complaining about when it comes to getting new customers. Pull the actual quotes, count how many times each problem is mentioned, and deliver the results as a ranked Google Sheet sorted by frequency. And that's it. That's the entire prompt. There's no code, no API keys, no connectors, no setup, nothing like that. Just plain English. Now I'm going to click run, and let me show you what happens. So Twin spins up a browser in the cloud. It goes to Reddit. It navigates the relevant subreddits. It goes to X. It starts reading through threads. Every time it finds somebody complaining about getting customers, it pulls the quote, and it goes to random social media sites, whatever you direct it to go to, and does the same thing. Then school, then any platform that you want it to go to. All of this happens on its own. I'm not touching anything. And the best part is it's happening on the cloud, which means I can close my laptop, walk away, go to the gym, make dinner, take a nap. And when I come back, the work is done. That's what I mean when I say these agents can work while you sleep. This agent took around 15 to 20 minutes, and I was in the kitchen making a sandwich. By the time I got back, it was done. And here's the result. Look at this Google Sheet, guys. 10 real pain points are ranked by frequency with actual quotes from real business owners. Look at this. Right now, I'm in that awkward stage where we don't have enough revenue to justify a full sales hire. But outbound is eating into product and ops time, and consistency drops whenever I get pulled. This comes from Reddit, from small business. 10 of these guys, real pain points that you can create real products around. Now, think about what just happened. I spent maybe 60 seconds typing a prompt. Twin did hours of real market research, organized the results, and handed me a ranked list of the exact problems that small business owners will pay real money to solve. A marketing consultant firm would charge you $5,000 for this exact report. Twin did it for me in minutes for the cost of a cup of coffee. And this is just the first agent. Let me show you what the second agent can do. You can try Twin completely for free from the link in the description below. Okay, so now we have a ranked list of real problems that business owners are facing. Number one is missed calls. So we pulled from our sheet the pain point of local businesses, small and medium-sized businesses, missing calls because they have no receptionist or the receptionist shows up drunk or late or whatever the case may be. And I talk about this in my newsletter all the time, how AI voice agents are absolutely going to replace millions of jobs within the next 24 months. So most local businesses don't know that AI voice exists. They don't know that AI agents can actually man their phones and book appointments and create business and empathize. That's the key word, guys. Actually empathize with customers. They sound like real people. I don't know if you've heard voice agents lately, but they are super realistic. Okay, so let's say I decide I want to build a business around solving the problem of not answering phones, losing business that an AI voice agent can absolutely handle. So now the question becomes, how do I actually find businesses that have this problem? Because it doesn't matter how good of a service you offer. In any business in the world, it doesn't matter how great your product is. If you can't find customers, if you can't get clients or businesses to be on board with your service, you're not going to make any money. So how do you get their contact information? How do you reach out to them in a way that's personal and actually gets responses? Now, I think most people, including myself, would say hire a virtual assistant. Pay somebody $500 to go build a list in Google Maps and maybe write 100 emails by hand, send them out and cross your fingers and hope for the best. I'm going to show you how to do all of that automatically with a second Twin agent. Now, here's the prompt that I'm going to use. Go to Google Maps, find 50 small businesses in Denver, Colorado in the following categories: a dental office, chiropractors, small law firms, med spas. For each business, pull the business name, the address, the phone number, and the website. Then visit each website, crazy, and pull the email address from the contact page. Finally, write a personalized cold outreach email for each business, offering an AI receptionist service that answers calls 24/7 and books appointments automatically, delivering everything as a spreadsheet ready to send. Here's the important part, guys. I get at least 50 emails a day of people offering me services, and the ones that I completely ignore are the ones that are not personalized. The ones that are personalized, I look through. I give them the time of day because they've either taken the time to do the research themselves or they're paying an expensive service to do it, which means that they're serious. They're a serious business and they mean business. But if somebody doesn't take the time to research a company, their email is not worth it, at least not for me. But when you're contacting local businesses do not know that technology like Twin exists. So if you send them a personalized email, they're going to think that you took the time to research their specific company or maybe personal information about them. And they're going to answer you back as a courtesy. It's the reciprocity rule. So here's what we're going to do. Let's click send and see what it gives us. Along the process, Twin opens Google Maps. It searches for dental offices in the city, starts pulling the business's data, names, addresses, phone numbers, websites, everything that it can get its hands on. It navigates to the contact page. It pulls the email. If the email isn't on the contact page, it pulls the phone number, pulls anything that you can use to contact a business. It figures it out like a human would. Then it writes a personalized email for every single business using the actual business name, referencing their actual services, mentioning specific things from their website. Let me show you what I mean. It created this as Google Sheet and it pulled all of these dental offices in the area. And all of these are the personalized email that it wrote them. Guys, check this out. Here's the output: 50 businesses, real names, real emails, websites, 50 personalized outreach emails, each one different from the last, each one mentioning something specific about their business. This is not a template blast. This is real personalized outreach at scale. Let me spell this out for you because I want you to understand exactly what just happened. Agent number 1 found the problem small businesses will pay to solve. And agent number 2 found the businesses that have that problem and wrote the pitch to get them on the phone or get them to respond to the email. All I have to do now is copy those emails, send them out, and wait for responses. I did not write a single email. I did not search any single business. I did not pull a single contact. I typed 2 prompts and that's it. Now, let's talk about how to actually turn this into real income. This is not a get-rich-quick thing. It's not, guys. You have to be consistent. You have to work hard. You have to be dedicated and motivated to want to do this, to want to be your own boss, to be an entrepreneur, to start your very own AI business. And I say this in all of my newsletters and all of my YouTube videos. You have to be that person who just is obsessed and doesn't stop. In order to build something like this into real income, you have to do what other people are not willing to do, and that's put in the work. It's so easy to win in business in 2026 because so many people are lazy and they expect shortcuts. This is not that. You have to work hard and be habitual. Here is the simple version of the business model. You pick a real pain point from agent number 1. You pick a real solution you can offer to small businesses who have that pain point. Then you use agent number 2 to find hundreds of those businesses automatically and reach out to them. Out of every 50 emails you send, a few are going to reply. Out of those replies, 1 or 2 are going to book a call, and out of the calls, 1 or 2 is probably going to work with you and become a paying client. The math on this is actually pretty crazy. So let's say you charge a small local business $500 a month to run an AI receptionist for them. That's, in my opinion, a real and reasonable price. It's less than what they pay a human part-time receptionist for 1 week. 5 paying clients a month is $2,500 in recurring revenue. 10 clients is $5,000. 20 clients, well, it adds up pretty fast. And the best part is you're not trading hours for dollars because AI is doing all the work. The numbers are on your side, guys. Do not get discouraged if you send 50 emails and you get 3 replies and none of them want to work with you. Because if you send 100 emails and 500 emails, eventually somebody's going to want to work with you. Eventually you will get a client. And that's the beautiful part about this, guys. You just never give up. If somebody says no, you move on to the next. If that person says no, you move on to the next. And that person might say yes. Imagine if 10 people say yes in a week, 20 people say yes in a month. The reoccurring revenue and the one-time base fee here is absolutely crazy. Alrighty, guys, that's everything you need to get started. If you want to try Twin yourself, the link is in the description below. They have a 14-day free trial so you can test the entire thing before you spend $1. Go build your first agent, run one of the prompts from this video and see what happens. I want you guys to like it before you actually spend money on this. And if you got real value from this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to sign up to the newsletter. The newsletter and the link in the description below teaches normal people how to profit from AI. It keeps people up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news. And it's the fastest growing AI income newsletter in the world. I love what I do. I'm absolutely obsessed showing people how to start AI businesses inside the newsletter. It's all free. I'd love to have you part of the community. And yeah, cool. Alrighty, guys. QR code is on the screen for the AI Income Weekly newsletter. Link in the description below. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.